look straight ahead for the readily smoker cannon.
Yeah, just let someone. I need there. The 3 CNG Airshow out here. There's someone here. There's more something in good. This one. I don't know what it is. This the cotton don't good. This should go here, Maza. Yama. Fatu. Bye. You might leave. Good. Let's go. She. How's it finally done? Şu kors koyun. Wheelchair lu. Do. Kunze our channel hi slad.
Hi.
And like, share, subscribe kamo machid lad our channel.
Like, share, subscribe kamo machid.
Chirich nam dal our channel. Yeah. And this. Do. अल्ले खरे हम तो कर दी शेर है अल्ले रे ऊपर ले हाँ ऊपर तो शेर है हाँ क्या मिले किसम शंगर खरे अरे तो दूर लास्ट डॉल नंबर दे यार मैं तो पाँच यूज़ चेगा की तो लाश शीशु अंश शी हाँ जी किस नाम में जो आउ खामसा ला जाओ दे आउ नाम में तो खामसा ला ना बेचूं समार आउ इधर चाकल या था चुप ला होता आउ नाम में तो चाकल तान लिया आउ चुप रुझे आउ चुप चाकल तान लिया वाला आउ नाम में मेरे ले चुप चाकल तान लिया वाला रे Airshow good to shade. Нам бы не сам спидиш. Hadi dejo. Kita wujud, tenda channel yang dulu.
이만 sama 배분 되고.
Allah so gone. Airshow 고주사 더. 그 동물 고주는 super 되었어. 그래서 나도 수진이 애도 그 동물 더. 나도. 아니. 오, 팬덤들 페이 가래. 팬덤들 가래. 이제 땡땡이래. 스마라.
사람들 전부 내기더라.
와우. 아니 레서스 쇼. 아니. Hi. Hello. Hello. Good to see you. Hi, Airshow 3. Wow, there. Dagaran ko rin dito. Di magim doon. Saja. Di magim kim doon. Do mad. Şimdi. Let's go on please. 네. 뭐 튀고 그러는데. 와, 뭐. 내가 거를 해도 돼, 된디. 너. 발도. 당연히 드레쇼. 다 거드레시. 예, 오늘 따서 디시니 가서때 드림 봐. 그러면서 티켓을 고미 게저시니 렉처 예윤이 상마 통고도. 미 망치 렉처 예윤 디도. Dedo, sama dilen ganzar. Ya mi mangu shudi. Ya kushasa de. Hadri mi shudu. Temuta. Takamanga sumba dera, tensmo. Era, digo. Adam to go later. It double cheese. Dura. What?
You can use another one. Someone look at that.
New shippers. Tibetan. Hopsan sindiriş. Savaşçısı. 군. That's us, too.
And here in the Lake Ontario area, we have wide open water And along with the 5 water bombing twin otters that we have,
아출리에서 너도 취해였어요. 맞아. 저기도 취해 양서.
As they come around to set up for their next water, are they actually dropping the water directly onto the fire? What's the target? What's the plan with that?
the plan is always to fight the fire to slow it down. CO4 fire
취해서 네.
to be able to get in there and put this thing out. If nothing else, they're looking to raise the humidity of the fire to slow it down. And other things. Now we might just see them do a little bit of a wave on the way by, and they're going to expand.
야, 나봐. 네. 나봐봐. 니마. 에, 니마. 갈색이 니마.
Looks like all of you in the VIP section are having a great day. Give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying yourself here at day number 2 of the CIANS. I see a lot of big thumbs up out there. How's everyone else enjoying the show there in general admission and in those sequences? Are you having a good time? For you, as we have a quick transition from performer to performer to put on that sunscreen, grab a little refreshment, get back to your seat.
잘냈어. 강사.
Helicopter!
Crews to get them off the mountain, and so they'll call in a Griffin helicopter, or in some cases even the Cormorant helicopter. Now both are Sartex being hoisted back into the Griffin helicopter. Pilots flying the CH-146 Griffin today are Captain Simon Raw, as well as Captain Nicholas Effenberger. Flight engineer managing the hoist cable and guiding the pilots is
니도 까망이 시험. 아무따니 딩게 타임 내일로 때 에어쇼. 시 타임. 아. 이프로 만들었어.
You'll see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vector thrust of 2 powerful engines, which will literally put the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-22's full combat capability.
아.
You can follow us on Facebook, X, and Instagram at F-22 Demo Team. On behalf of the United
아지 니마 가르도 암지 삼아세. 오케이 샤나다. F-22 레샤. Raptor. F-22 Raptor.
F-23. Oh, you heard that Raptor?
Folks, let's give it up one more time for the United States Air Force.
어때? 숨2구.
Red One calls the formation into 9 arrow as they apex at 4,500 feet over the top of sunny Toronto. Leading the formation is Red One squadron leader John Bond. Bondy has been in
Wow,
the
that
before
Los
as the
Angeles,
Sunday
yes,
leader. He's also been the Takana display pilot and flew the Typhoon on the front line.
맞아, 손이 있는데 봤어. 럽센스 Airshow.
The Red Arrows are flying as a 9-ship formation. Red One is calling the maneuvers by ear. The pilot's reacting to the sound and the intonation of his voice rather than the movement of his aircraft, which is what keeps the shapes so smooth and straight. The pilot's operating the smoke from a button on the control stick as the Red Arrows come past in big vixen formation. Red 2 to the right of Red 1 is squadron leader Chris McCann. Chris formerly flew the Tornado GR4 on the front line. He's also been an instructor on the Takano and is in his first season on the Red Arrows. It's our pleasure to be in Canada for the 100th anniversary of the Royal Canadian Air Force, and this weekend we're celebrating 3 anniversaries. It's also the 75th anniversary of this glorious show in Toronto, and we are in the 60th display season of the Red Arrows. And pulling up calls Red 1. The other pilots reacting to the tone of his voice as they ease the aircraft up. 4 to 5G in the pool, smoking as they go across the top. And as we lose them in the sun, they'll transition to a right formation at the top of the loop into signal. Apexing over the top of the loop at 5,000 feet, the iconic smoke trail through the sun. The smoke about to be cooled off. On the outside of the wing, we have Reds 4 and 5. Red 4 is Flight Lieutenant Ollie Suckling. Ollie has previously flown the Tornado GR4 on the front line. He's instructed on the Hawk.
Access, yes, access. Here.
See the red, white and blue smoke. You'll see the aircraft calls Red 9 as Red 8 and red and blue smoke on and start rolling around the rest of the formation. Red 1 about to bend the whole formation around to the left, changing smoke colour as they go. This is Tornado.
Wow. Let's see the image.
Locations as Toronto today. Now look straight ahead for the red and blue smoke of Hannah as 8 and 9 roll around 6 and 7, ready for the Hannah break. With the blue smoke changing to white is red wine. That's very caution. Already has previously found the tornado Jill and the typhoon on the top line. He's also instructed on the hawk and is here. Reaching high into the skies over Toronto, red 6 and 7 pulling away from each other. Reaching 7,000 feet, drawing the enormous heights over the skies of Toronto. Now in from the top right, here comes red 8. He's put his smoke on and he's airing the heart. Red arrows would like to dedicate today's heart to the 75th anniversary of the Canadian International Airshow and all the lovely people here.
Don't this is daddy. So is this. Hard ke kimale atnesmo hard ke kimale dajio what is this that's charges delicious
Break go calls red one. As the 7 jets fell out from their vertical break, they'll do one aileron roll each before going to the vertical. Roll go calls red 6 as they pass close to each other, rolling inverted, pushing hard to the display area. Each of our aircraft can produce red, white and blue smoke. We have 3 buttons on the control stick that control each colour. We have 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of red and 1 minute of blue smoke, all carefully choreographed to make sure every shape is coloured, but we
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed watching the red arrows. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me. All that remains for me to do is to wish you all the very best from the Royal Air Force and all the best from the Red Arrows.
Thank you very much. Give it up one more time. Pilot one is the Watch this. Read that. Highway. Highway. 링링 치드다. 링링 치드다.
트래픽 에이더 CN 타워 파통다 CN이 대도 Dini ama se peba dilen de Jameson ledo ende peba kombaştı onun için bu işte şimdi manche pebaştı lunda tonda mas ya do se little bit less hadi lan to konta alacağız Entonces me dan tiempo. Chipado, mong café, some sabah, chig little chipad. Kira little bit, then just do it. Go. Tamam da. Gözünüzü sonra dinle be. Çalışmış. Bir kilo şaş. Ya. Oo, tamam. Güzel. Ya. Ya de gibi de desa ah. Desa gibi şey var. 네. 야, 니 내 새끼 나고. 기다려 이래.
Yeah, Delenda. No, sweet. Yeah, veg pakora. Yeah, kima jing da di.
소스는.
That's good.
이게 뭐야? 건달이냐? 사.
Right?
정말 가둬.
It's not? And because you're
Ah.
used to spicy.
근데 아, 야구들. 하나씩 묻어. 야, 된좀 간데 더. 유마. 준비돼 아마. 먹어라.
No, can you taste it? This one?
노.
Chicken culinary.
아, 네. 그래, 여기다. No, some of full busy redo. Sam. 와, 할로. 반대로. What are you doing? 아, 나 되게 갈라. 되게.
Butter chicken.
Yeah, let's.
I like the
Come
basil.
in. Sure.
I like the basil.
그렇지.
The basil.
난 이만 싫어합니다. 다들 그렇지. 이제 little Tibetan 나왔어요.
Yeah, mashallah. Pakora di steak chick sushi.
butter chicken 되겠어.
너무 세다 샤.
나들이 가르치지. 나도. 칼라 심지 숑스. 칼라 심지 숑스는. 심지도 하마.
Mama,
칼라에 야와.
I'm gonna be the
심부시.
tester.
자가 심부도 나데 뭐.
Not testing
제 사모제시.
Not compare to Indian food, food,
German food.
food.
박샤도 그거라도 이마도 근데 심으셔 아
이마도 쉬 거라 비슷한 내가 쉬만
근데 이든지 계속하지 상마래 엔치디지 지다 상마래 심부죠 다 양세 시계리 통마래 나도 안 시계 찾아요다 야갈래로 알아서 그저 로컬 찾아도 시계는 고슬래도 알아서 야야 심부죠 교죠 심부죠 아마 아 가라 심부죠 심부죠 칼라비아부터 little Tibet 차상 야부터 샤타 차마 심부죠 항상 야 됐지 별로 돼서 키울 수 있어 와 심부죠 홀라 그런데입니다 맞아 나 뭐
나는 그렇게
사진 아니 저것이 근데 어디 안 어쩌고 내가 누구 거야
Quarter. Anh ở chỗ quarter đấy. Ah bah batterie d'os. Je suis là de batterie d'os.
Ah, shit.
Nằm chút xíu đen. Mà chỗ quarter đấy. Chút xíu đen.
Đang ở chỗ Jerry, đang là đồ như walking door ấy.
Walking quarter.
Sinh là đồ rồi. Ta nhưng mà sum ship chứ nhưng mà ship. Nhưng mà sum à đấy sao? Ta đào mình mà lắp vào phụ lắp vào đời rồi.
alle mandale di
이제 빨리 했다. 빨리 했다.
아니 돼 몸을 치니 몸을 안돼 누도
Am I coming to the house? We're going in.
No, we're going to Carchin house, but
야 the 교실 this one walk door 다
okay.